Hi guys, if you update today, the 5th of July, you'll get a new Arch Linux tweak tool in. Nope, not yet. And with that selection, with that update, you'll get a new page update. In desktop Wayland, you'll find that all these guys can be installed alongside each other. They can live with the 13 desktops that we have, tiling managers and desktops. With the 11, yes, in total 24, 11 versions of these guys. Hyperland has 2 versions, Niri has 3 versions, Mango, River, Wayfire, LabWC, DWL, and Sway, all together with some ingenuity, right? Can coexist, can work on the same X11/Wayland system with the ATT, with our packages. Let's see if we get the updates in now, because there's one little thing I've added that I think we need to pause the video here so that our repo, the Nemesis repo, is actually processed. So let's wait for a few seconds and I'll be back. Let's try again. We update and we see that there is, yes, there is indeed an Arch Linux tweak tool GTK4 update. Either you install it via a menu or you go for Ctrl+Alt+E and then you launch basically the Arch Linux tweak tool, the tool for any Arch out there. You see the list up here, right? And you can make this bigger or smaller or you like it. This is what changed. Every single one has a reference, a link to the developers. All we do is provide you a package. All you need to learn and report, maybe if there are issues, is to Hyperland or to Noctalia or to Material Shell here to see and understand how does this actually all work, right? Because yeah, that's of course developed by the guy that's behind here. Avenge Media probably is a name somewhere in there, a user who created everything, right? So all the information, all the links you need to watch and follow and see if there are issues or ask or wikis and all that. This is certainly a very important one. I've already sent one person on the GitHub discussions, right? These are the sources. We are not the sources. The sources for Hyperland is the Hyperland wiki. Like the Arch Linux wiki is the source for Arch Linux, right? So this is where you get your useful information, how to configure useful utilities. That's the list. That's where you need to go. So everything now is installable, right? Just with a click of the button, you can say, I want these two and try them together and compare these two guys. And there are also 3 Niri versions. So have a look at those. And then the different ones here, Mango, River, Wayfire, LabWC, DWL, and Sway. All of them can be installed. They live side by side, not only Wayland next to Wayland, but X11 next to Wayland, which means these guys are 13, these guys are 11, 24 ways to have fun. Desktop/tiling window manager. All right, have fun. All you need to do is a click of the button and then install selected. And of course, if you don't like it in the end, remove selected. Okay, cheers.